Are you looking for the top 5 best free video editing software? In this video, I will share your content creation skills with the best video editing software for beginners. The best video editing software for beginners lets anyone cut clips, add transitions and titles, and even use Hollywood-style special effects in videos. Once you've mastered these tools, power up performance with the best video editing computers and the best video editing laptops. Let's get started now. Starting at number 1. Adobe Premiere Elements. Best video editing software for beginners overall. Adobe Premiere Elements is ideal for new video editors. It's essentially Adobe's consumer version of Premiere Pro, so it's got the Pro Tools most everyday users need. And everything feels like it's been designed to make it simple to start editing videos. Premiere Elements is a good first step into the world of Adobe's creative apps, making it easier to graduate to the more advanced Premiere Pro as your skills grow. When we tested Premiere Elements, we were delighted to find you can switch between different interfaces depending on your experience. It's a really nice touch for making the editing software accessible to a broader user base. You'll also find helpful tutorials and guides for understanding and performing pro-level techniques. At number 2. Wondershare Filmora. Best budget video editor for beginners. If you can get past some interface quirks, Wondershare's Filmora is one of our top choices for best beginners video editing software for beginners. Novice users will find familiarity in the video editing software's straightforward timeline view and find it easier to edit with handy, animated tooltips. There's even direct integration with stock asset repositories like Giphy, Pixabay, and Unsplash from within Filmora itself, making it a strong piece of video editing software for beginners or even more advanced users looking for a professional stock library. Wondershare Filmora is all about giving novices powerful, AI-driven tools that intuit what they want and give it to them. It's probably the best video editing software for beginners for striking a happy medium between having lots of features and total ease of use. At number 3. CyberLink PowerDirector. Best video editing software for beginners and pros. CyberLink PowerDirector isn't exactly a video editor for beginners, it's ostensibly for prosumers, so it's a lot more advanced than many we've tested for newcomers. But it's undeniably easy to use thanks to its relaxed and efficient interface. If you're even vaguely familiar with software for editing videos, you'll be right at home with PowerDirector. Everything is where it should be, everything works as it should do. We appreciated the fact that the software could handle a range of projects, from small editing jobs to complex final cuts without impacting stability and performance. PowerDirector is available through a monthly annual subscription or via one-off payment for the lifetime license, with upgrade options. There's also a free version PowerDirector Essentials, but we felt this lacked a lot of features found in the paid-for editions. At number 4. Magix Movie Studio. Magix Movie Studio 2023 has seen several recent engine enhancements and feature additions that make it a great option for beginner video editing software. The timeline interface won't challenge newcomers, and Magix Movie Studio 2023 includes bigger buttons and handles for video clips, making it much easier to edit with precision. The main preview screen has also seen improvements, allowing you to move around footage and other material to easily create collages and split-screen content. Several video templates designed to fit the aspect ratios of specific social media platforms, and footage taken from a smartphone will be resized automatically. The pricing model and liberal use of contextless jargon will undoubtedly confuse new video editors looking to get started without much thought. However, we'd say that Movie Studio's basic version meets that need. At number 5. Apple iMovie. Best video editing software for beginners on Mac. With its sleek, streamlined, and incredibly easy-to-use layout, Apple iMovie is one of the best video editing software for beginners on Mac. For a long time, the simple video editor was the go-to for Apple fans who had little to no knowledge of how to cut a movie. However, in recent years, its once revolutionary feature set has stagnated, with updates seemingly few and far between. If you're willing to overlook the lack of regular updates, you'll find iMovie is absolutely golden for creating videos in the simplest ways possible. The learning curve is low. In fact, it hardly exists at all, and it's even available as a video editing app for iOS. Better still, the tool integrates well with other Apple products. Once you've maxed out your skills on iMovie, Apple's professional-grade video editor Final Cut Pro will be a great option. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Until next time, I'll see you later.